people, today we are making classic hummus and I'm going to show you the ingredients. I have taken soaked and boiled chickpeas, which is also called chole, which is 500 ml, 4 spoons of white roasted til, 1 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, cumin powder, 6 garlic bulbs, half spoon salt, you can add as per your taste as well, 1 whole lemon juice, 1/4 cup olive oil, which is 60 ml. So I'm going to make the classic hummus. Blender, take chickpeas first, add roasted jeera powder, which is cumin, lemon juice, roasted sesame seeds, salt as per your taste. I'm taking half spoon water added, just make it to a fine paste. Now let's add olive oil. See the paste now. I'm going to add some more olive oil so it becomes more finer. Our classic hummus is ready. Now let's serve in the bowl. Decorate like this. We're making space in the center. Olive oil in. Spoonful red chilli powder. Either use paprika or red chilli powder. The coriander leaves, which enhances the flavor and the smell. Yummy and super tasty classic hummus is ready. Looks wow. I couldn't resist, I just tasted this. This is super duper yummy. To tell you, this is one of the best classic hummus I have ever tasted. Super homemade, delicious and healthy.